Hi guys, now I'm going to do the trend line. There's the question on question 6, 6.1.2. Determine the trend line equation using sum of x is equal to 0 coding method, which is the zero sum coding method. So what is the trend line equation? The trend line equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx. So we are going to determine that equation using the zero sum coding method. Firstly, we are going to redraw that table like this. Redraw the table and then add another column which is called x. That's where we are going to do our zero sum coding method. Firstly, we have to count or calculate our period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Now that we have calculated our period, then determine the total. Is it an odd number or an even number? 16 is an even number, which means we're going to use this formula to code minus into n minus 1. This is for the even number, and this one minus into n minus 1 divide by 2. It's for the odd number. 16 is an even number. So let us code using the zero sum coding method. So it's minus into n minus 1. N is number of the period. Minus into 16 minus 1. So our first value is minus 15. Minus 15. Then we are going to add 2 for the x value of the following period. So plus 2 minus 13 plus 2 minus 11 plus 2 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 positive 1 plus 2 positive 3 plus 2 positive 5 plus 2 positive 7 plus 2 positive 9 plus 2 positive 11 plus 2 positive 13 plus 2 positive 15. That was the zero-sum coding method. If we add all these values, it will give us 0. That is why it is called the zero-sum coding method. The total of the x, the sum of x will be equal to 0, always be equal to 0. Now let's determine the trend line equation using the zero-sum coding method. Let's start by A. A is equal to the sum of y over n. Sum of y over n, which is equal. You go to calculator, which is Casio FX82ZA plus mode, then go to option number 2, which is the state mode. Then there's the equation a plus bx, option number 2. Then you will get 2 columns, x and the y column. Then on the x column, we'll punch all the x values, all the code x values. It's minus 15, then press equal. Minus 13, then press equal. Minus 11, then press equal. Minus 9 equal. Minus 7 equal. Minus 5 equal. Minus 3 equal. Minus 1 equal. 1 equal. 3 equal. 5 equal. 7 equal. 9 equal. 11 equal. 13 equal. 15 equal. And then go to the y column. This is the y column. This one is the y column, number of houses. So 54, then press equal. 58 equal. 94 equal. 70 equal. 55 equal. 61 equal. 87 equal. 66 equal. 49 equal. 55 equal. 95 equal. 74 equal. 60 equal. 64 equal. 99 equal. 80 equal. And then press AC. It will be blank. We want the sum of y. Now we are substituting the formula. We want the sum of y. Press shift, 1. Then go to sum, option number 3. We have all the sums. But we are looking for the sum of y, which is on option number 4. Then press 4 and equal. It's 1121. 1121. Divide by n, which is the number of periods. They are 16. So 121 divided by 16. So 1121 divided by 16. So divide by 16. A is equal to 70,0625. 70,0625. 70,0625. Then B is equal to the sum of xy. The sum of xy divided by the sum of x squared. Sum of xy divided by the sum of x squared is equal to press AC. Go to shift 1 again. Go to sum, option number 3. You are looking for the sum of xy. There's sum of xy, option number 5. 693. Sum of xy, 693. Divide by the sum of x squared. Press AC. Go to shift 1 again. Number 3 is sum. We are looking for the sum of x squared. There's sum of x squared on option number 1. Press 1 and then equal. 1360. 1360, which is equal to 693. 693 divide by 1360. 1360 equals 0.509. 0.509. Now let's go and double check from the regression function if our A and B are correct. Press shift 1. There's the regression function on option number 5. Press 5. There's A, option number 1. Press 1. Then equal 70,0625. Our A is 70,0625 as well. Now let's check B. Shift 1. The regression function number 5. B is option number 2. Press 2. Then equal 0.509. There's B, 0.509. I think I'm done here. Thank you.